Housewives, Mauricio Umansky's dad, accused of abuse on girlfriend, pics. Rhobh house husband, Mauricio Umansky's father, Eduardo Umansky, has been accused of abusing his girlfriend, Simon Tabibnia. This comes on the heels of Mauricio and his sister, Sharon, claiming Simon was doing the same to Eduardo. There is a lot to unpack, but what exactly does Simon have to say of her longtime romance with the real estate mogul? Keep reading for more details. Mauricio Umansky's dad accused of abuse on girlfriend. For several months, Mauricio Umansky and his sister, Sharon, have worked tirelessly to keep their father, Eduardo, safe. His longtime girlfriend, Simon Tabibnia, had allegedly been manipulative, abusive, and aimed to keep him from his children. Furthermore, she supposedly was stealing money from Eduardo. In their filing, the siblings wrote this. Sharon even claimed that Simon had gotten aggressive with her, and she filed a restraining order. This went through, so this family has been dealt a horrific hand. Eduardo is in his 80s, and to keep his finances away from Simon, the two filed to be conservators. They won that, which was an amazing feat. Sadly, it had to come to this given that Eduardo and Mauricio worked together at the agency. Eduardo was even seen supporting his son at DWTS season 32. Now the tables have turned, and he is the one accused of abusing Simon. According to In Touch Weekly, the real estate mogul's girlfriend, Simon filed a petition for an elder or dependent adult abuse restraining order. Simon now calls Eduardo Umansky her ex-boyfriend and has requested that he stay 100 yards away. More so, she states the date of abuse was December 4, 2024. In her filing, she claimed. She went on to add that they were together for 18 years, but it was allegedly awful. Simon Tabibnia claimed that the abuse from Mauricio Umansky's father was fueled by alcohol. However, she also stated he would get vicious after dealing with his family. Simon never got along with Eduardo's daughter. Sharon said that was also a strong issue. Simon has claimed that the family has threatened to call the police if she in any way responds to Eduardo. Yet he allegedly has been relentlessly calling and trying to get in contact with her, though she wants a restraining order. Finally, Simon says she hid the bruises, but doctors have seen them and told her to leave the relationship or call the police. The Bravo universe was set ablaze when shocking allegations surfaced involving Mauricio Umansky's father, Eduardo Umansky. Known for his suave demeanor and charm, Eduardo has made occasional appearances on The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, alongside his son, Mauricio, and daughter-in-law, Kyle Richards. But now headlines are swirling with claims of abuse against Eduardo by a woman alleging to be his girlfriend, and the fallout is rippling through Beverly Hills' most glamorous circles. The accusations. Details of the accusations began to emerge when a woman, whose identity has been kept private, filed a police report claiming that Eduardo had verbally and physically abused her during an argument. The alleged incident reportedly took place in Eduardo's upscale Los Angeles residence. Sources close to the woman have said she is devastated and shaken, while photos purportedly showing bruises and scratches have started circulating online. The images, though unverified, have only added fuel to an already intense fire. Eduardo, who has always been regarded as a pillar of success and stability within the Umansky family, has vehemently denied the allegations. In a brief statement through his attorney, he called the claims fabricated and an attempt to damage his reputation. Mauricio and Kyle's response. While Mauricio Umansky has built a reputation as one of Beverly Hills' top real estate moguls and a dedicated family man, this situation has placed him in an unprecedented public relations crisis. A source close to the family said, Mauricio is absolutely blindsided by these allegations. He's always looked up to his father and has tried to model his own life after Eduardo's work ethic and charisma. Kyle Richards, known for her fierce loyalty to her family, has reportedly been working overtime to manage the fallout. Kyle is torn, another insider revealed. On one hand, she wants to protect her father-in-law, who has always been supportive of her and her children. But on the other hand, she's a mother to 4 daughters, and these kinds of accusations hit very close to home. Kyle has yet to make a public statement, but fans have noticed that she's been unusually quiet on social media, where she'd typically be promoting the latest season of RHOBH or sharing snaps of her family. The absence of her usual content has only heightened speculation about how deeply the allegations have affected her family. Housewives weigh in. It didn't take long for Kyle's castmates to chime in on the unfolding drama. Lisa Rinna, never one to shy away from voicing her opinion, posted a cryptic Instagram story that read, "Karma has a funny way of working things out," with no further context. Fans immediately speculated that the post was directed at Kyle and her family, especially given the tense history between Lisa and the Umanskys. Dorrit Kemsley, on the other hand, came to Kyle's defense. In a heartfelt interview with a Bravo fan account, she said, "I've known Kyle and Mauricio for years, and they are some of the most genuine people I've ever met. This situation is heartbreaking, and I'm standing by Kyle no matter what." Erica Jane also added her 2 cents during an appearance on Watch What Happens Live with Andy Cohen. When asked about the situation, Erica said, "Listen, families go through tough times. I'm not here to judge anyone. All I'll say is, I'm sending love to everyone involved." The legal battle ahead. As Eduardo prepares to clear his name, legal experts say the road ahead could be long and arduous. Given the high-profile nature of this case, it's likely to drag on in court, said one attorney familiar with celebrity legal cases. The photos are damning if proven authentic, but we've seen cases where evidence is brought into question. Eduardo's team will need to present a strong defense. Mauricio's involvement in the legal proceedings is still uncertain. Some speculate that he may be called as a character witness for his father, while others believe he'll try to distance himself from the controversy to protect his burgeoning real estate empire. Fan reactions. As news of the allegations spread, fans of RHOBH took to social media to voice their opinions. Some expressed shock and disappointment, while others reserved judgment, emphasizing the importance of due process. If these allegations are true, it's heartbreaking for everyone involved, one fan wrote on Twitter. But we don't know the full story yet. Another fan commented, "This is a test for Kyle and Mauricio. If they come out of this stronger, it'll say a lot about their family bond." Meanwhile, conspiracy theories abound in online forums, with some fans speculating that the allegations could be a coordinated effort to tarnish the Umansky name. Others believe it's only a matter of time before the situation is addressed on RHOBH. The Bravo effect. Bravo has not yet commented on the situation, but insiders suggest that executives are closely monitoring the fallout. With filming for the next season of RHOBH reportedly underway, producers are faced with a delicate task of deciding how, or if, to incorporate the drama into the show. This is the kind of real-life drama that Bravo thrives on, said a former producer. But it's also very sensitive. The network will have to tread carefully to avoid backlash. Fans are already speculating that the allegations could become a central storyline, with Kyle grappling with her family's public image and her loyalty to Mauricio and Eduardo. Others wonder if the situation might lead Kyle to take a step back from the show entirely. What's next? For now, the Umansky family is keeping a low profile. Mauricio has reportedly canceled several public appearances, while Kyle has been spending more time with her daughters. Eduardo, meanwhile, is said to be working closely with his legal team to prepare for the battle ahead. As the drama unfolds, one thing is certain. The allegations against Eduardo have cast a long shadow over the otherwise picture-perfect image of the Umansky family. Whether they'll emerge stronger or shattered remains to be seen. But for fans of the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, this scandal is sure to be one of the most talked about events in the franchise's history.